I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook orange rice. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of long-grain white rice, 2 cups of orange juice, 1 cup of chicken or vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a pinch of salt. Next, rinse the rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. This step removes excess starch, ensuring a fluffier texture. Then, melt the butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat, preparing for the next stage of cooking. Once the butter is melted, add the rinsed rice to the saucepan and stir for about 1 minute, lightly toasting it. Then, carefully pour in the 2 cups of orange juice and 1 cup of chicken or vegetable broth. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Stir gently to combine all the ingredients, ensuring everything is well mixed. Bring this delicious mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, getting ready for the simmering process. After the mixture reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low and cover the saucepan tightly with a lid. Allow the rice to simmer undisturbed for 18 to 20 minutes, or until all the liquid has been completely absorbed. It's crucial not to lift the lid during this time, as it traps the steam needed for proper cooking. Once done, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, after the resting period, gently fluff the orange rice with a fork. This separates the grains and gives it a light, airy texture. Taste the rice and adjust the seasoning if necessary. You might want a little more salt or a squeeze of fresh orange juice for an extra zing. Serve this warm, aromatic orange rice as a vibrant and flavorful side dish. Garnish with fresh parsley or orange zest for an appealing presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.